having a casual listen here while the pre-upgrade sound check video uploads, and just listening. And the imaging is really good when you're not playing with any of the controls. I mean, they are noisy and it's expected for something that old, but I am really liking the fullness of the sound. Actually, compared to my my tube amp that I've been listening to for the last couple of weeks, this thing has just got a lot of throat, a lot of deep response. The bottom end is just to die for. And when I've got everything center line here, I'm on neutral, basically on the preamp. Everything is dead center stage. Like, it sounds like the singer is singing right above my Thorns turntable there. Really good sound to it. That amp needs no help on the bottom end, that's for sure. We'll check pull some of the caps and just check what kind of settings we're getting or readings we're getting, just to see if they're deteriorated at all. Sorry for the messy room here. I got a whole bunch of equipment that just came in the last couple of days, so it's turning into a workshop here, but that's good.